Okay, YouTubing for the grandkids. There they go. We're loading wood up. There's one. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, and there's Mace. Oh, look at him. Oh, there's the fire. Oh, there we go over there.
Oh, don't show my face.
Look at that. Look at that. There's the fire. There they go. The fire haulers.
Welcome to Bob Remy's channel.
Yay!
I'm Tanner. And I don't know why we made a fire that huge. For a second,
It's a good fire right there.
For a second, it was really tall.
There's the world famous Nana over there. Oh, and there's Scott. He's the one that got the wood. And I know I'm loud. You can see the dust flying in there. Uh-oh, there he comes. Who's this coming here? It's Lincoln. Look at him carrying wood. Good man. Carry on. There is my favorite right there. Yes. Oh, there's my favorite right there. Right there. He's working hard. Oh, there's a favorite right there. That one right there. Oh, that's my favorite right there. That's her.
Fantastic.
Obviously, we're unloading the trailer. Let's see what's going on out here at the trailer.
Handle, there you go.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, tough.
Somebody told me that you're telling other people that they're your favorite.
Oh, you're my favorite. Don't ever forget that.
One more.
You're always my favorite.
There you go.
There's my favorite right there hauling wood away. Right there. Oops, sorry. Savannah, you're my favorite. There you go.
Good job.
Oh, back to my favorite right there. You're really my favorite.
I have two other people telling me I'm their favorite, so I'm
That is so wrong. Lincoln's back for another big trip. There he goes. Another trip. There's my daughter there. She's doing a good job of unloading. We are not quiet.
Some of these don't look heavy, but they actually
I can see the dust in the air with this thing.
I know.
There's Tanner. He's turned into a wild man. YouTubing Tanner right there. YouTubing Tanner. We're up here at Family Camp Out 2018 Cat Creek.
Okay, that's a pretty heavy piece. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, look at it.
Whoa.
You guys are crazy.
No, carry that one. That one.
It's not heavy.
Okay, here.
Randy, do you video up with these or sideways?
What? I do standing up right
I'm your favorite.
Favorite. There you go. There's Lincoln.
here. Okay.
There's my boy.
Lincoln, here, baby. You ready?
He got his shoe off.
Oh, it's a big one.
Wait, hang on. Let me put your shoes back on. Do you need some help?
He's got it. He got it.
I'm barefoot and roll.
All right.
They walk around barefoot. Mom, they're right here.
There goes Savannah.
Sometimes regret letting them, but. Oh my God, these kids. Oh my God. Never.
Good job. Good job, guys. Good job.
Oh my God, they did. Oh.
There's Tanner. Oh, look at him. Look at that dirt,
My
man. You're
dad
getting
just
all-
got a new plan.
Ooh.
We have to place the wood at the back of the pile. Oh, actually, while you're doing that, can you go over there
Yeah.
and see how big the pile is?
Oh, I'm going to check it out.
Firewood.
I'm going to walk over there and check it out right now.
Get it recorded.
Oh, it's been recorded.
That hit my.
All right, I'm going to walk over. It's almost there. I'm going to walk over and check the wood pile out.
It's massive, bro.
There he goes. There's the fire. Nice fire.
I have lots of wood.
Look at the wood. Okay, I'm out of the way. Look at the wood pile. I think we got enough for tonight.
I agree.
Yeah, Dad, we're gonna go back tomorrow and
Look at that. Look at all the stuff in the air flying around, the dust. This is one dirty campground, but
check
it's
out-
nice.
Check out my channel. The link's made soon.
There you go. All right, over now for now. Cat Creek over. Family Camp Out
It's Tanner Games.
2018.
Mason Games.